Hi. I'm Jack from Quickfit Curtains. Who are Quickfit Curtains, you might ask? We make curtains, sell them online, and ship them right to your door. Really fast, like lightning fast. Like the awesome ones behind. Are they any good? Nope. They're sensational. Cheap too. No waiting 6 weeks for a 19-year-old to drive out and show you how to use a tape measure. And then tell you how this shade of white will work better than the custard white, which has a deeper hue than the marshmallow white. Because you couldn't possibly pick a color yourself. No fancy sample thingy in a ribbon-tied box with gold sprinkles that ends up in landfill. You get them like this. No. We don't pack them like a PRADA dress. You get them like this. Yes, we recycle cartons too. No. We don't have a fleet of Mercedes Vito vans, vinyl wrapped in some marketing logo that delivers your curtains by a man wearing white gloves. We deliver them like this. And yes, we make them in China. Here is Nicole. She's the founder. She is based in Melbourne. She learned everything she knows from her father Neville, well, almost. He owned one of Australia's leading textile supply companies and was the managing director of one of our iconic textile suppliers. She probably learnt something from that university degree she did 2 decades ago. She has worked in textiles, general management, product development and sales for 25 years. And yep, she sold to Spotlight and Target, to name a few. Set up supply chains and rode her wares across the waters to South Africa and the UK. Yep, even Debenhams. Paddling her boat a little further to the US and right into Macy's and Bed Bath & Beyond. Even had a stint at Linen House and Aura Home. She is no dummy when it comes to fashion. She knows her stuff. Toot toot. And here is Jackie. Jackie Chen. He runs the show in Ningbo. Jackie ran the production export division for one of the largest weaving and coding factories in Asia before saying goodbye and starting this baby with Nicole. And here is Dakota, Nicole's daughter. She looks after sampling and sends the little fabric cuttings. Our curtains are fast and they are the cheapest too. Compare for yourself. And here is Eve. She answers your emails and helps you over the phone. Eve is Nicole's sister. You can't blame her for that. And here are a few of the others. No. They don't have a doctorate in synthetic yarn extrusion, but they know curtains. I guarantee our custom curtains are at least 25 if not 50% cheaper, and yes, they are good. Pay for your curtains, not their car. We make embarrassing videos too. Brought to you by Quickfit Blinds and Curtains, an Australian-owned business you can trust.